Good morning, my friends. If you often wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, it might not just be age. It could be a few simple morning habits secretly draining your energy. Let's uncover them and learn what to do instead. Reaching for your phone the moment you wake up, checking messages or news first thing, floods your brain with stress hormones, even before you get out of bed. Instead, take 2 minutes to breathe deeply, stretch your arms, and smile. That simple shift resets your brain for calm energy.
Skipping water. After sleeping all night, your body is dehydrated, and dehydration makes you feel weak, dizzy, and tired. Start your day with a full glass of water before tea or coffee. Your muscles and mind will thank you.
Drinking coffee too early. Many people think coffee gives energy, but drinking it right after waking can crash your natural energy cycle. Wait at least 60 minutes after waking up. Let your body's own hormones wake you first, then enjoy your coffee. Sitting too long after waking up. The longer you stay still, the stiffer your joints get. Even 1 minute of gentle stretching or slow walking inside your room wakes up your muscles and circulation. Eating sugary breakfast foods. Cereal, white bread, or sweet pastries spike your sugar and make you sleepy later. Instead, choose oats, boiled eggs, or a small handful of nuts. They give you steady, lasting energy.
So remember, a strong day starts with strong morning habits. No phone, more water, slow movement, and real food. Follow these small changes for 1 week, and you'll start feeling more alert, active, and alive.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips every day.